Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry if you can hear banging. My background looks really messy. I'm so sorry about the background. Also, my battery is flashing as well. That's perfect. Okay, so just a quick Louis Vuitton reveal. I did an unboxing before, but it was just very I wasn't liking the footage, so this is just going to be a quick little reveal. I hope you guys are doing well. I know there's so much things going on in the world at the moment, and everyone copes with it differently, but I hope you guys are staying healthy, doing well. Before my battery dies, it's literally flashing. I just wanted to do a quick little Louis Vuitton reveal. So backstory for this one, I ordered this back in April and it only just arrived a few days ago, so pretty much 2 months I waited for it. But on the positive side, there's a fly in my room and it's really annoying. You can hear it. The positive thing about it was that it was before the increase, so I saved $70, so that's a plus. But anyway, it came in, obviously, the dust bag. It's the box and bag and everything is all packed away now because I just could not be bothered repacking it. But I just wanted to reveal to you guys my newest Louis Vuitton Speedy Nano. She is so bloody cute, so cute. I hope the camera is doing it justice. There's the handles, and like when it falls, the handles are nice and flush. It doesn't like askew in a different way, which is nice. Everything is all cute. And I currently have stuff in it, so I might as well just go ahead and show you. I'll link Jenny's video down below. Jenny Day here, she has this as well. I'm twinning with her. I'm so excited. I'll have to get her chain as well because it looks absolutely stunning on her bag. But she has a more in-depth review and like what's in my bag with this, so I'll link her video down below. But I'm sure you guys are already following her because she is absolutely stunning. Anyways, that's inside my bag at the moment. So a quick rehash of what's in. Just got my sanitizer because standard, necessary. I got my keys and my clay. And what fits in here is absolutely crazy to me, but I just gotta get it in a weird kind of way. Is the mini pochette. Insane, right? Insane. And then last thing in here is my little Dior Glow lip oil glow. So cute. Also, if you guys have, where's my phone? If you guys have the 11 Pro Max, I have a wild flower case on, so it is slightly chunky on the edges, but it's not like overly huge. You just got to get it at a right angle and then just push it in. But I honestly don't think I will store it in the bag itself. It fits perfectly fine, but it's just the annoyance having to put it in, take it out all the time, if that makes sense. So I will probably just leave this out of the bag because I'm always reaching for it. But other than that, I will definitely be leaving my mini pochette in. And it's kind of stuffed as well. Like, I'll show you contents of, it's very stuffed, like stuffed. So I don't even have to really squash it down. It's just angles, just got to work the angles. So just grab the bag, put it in that way, kind of push it down, and Bob's your uncle. And that's it. I'm still deciding whether or not I want to like protect the leather or just let it naturally you know, marinate or patina. But I did want to put this little cutie on it, my Swarovski little bear. He is adorable, so let's chuck him on. There you go. Oh, he's so cute. I don't know if I want to put him on here or actually on like this part. Do you reckon that's obnoxious? Oh, maybe on the side's probably better. Yeah, that's kind of cute. I saw a chick with the, I think the Boy Supplé, whatever, however you pronounce it in French. And she had him as well. And I was like, oh my god, I have the same one and he's so cute. But yeah, he's from Swarovski. I'm not sure if they still carry him. I forget his name. I think it's Arnold. I don't know. But he's cute. He's really cute. So that's him on my little Speedy Nano. I'll insert some body shots of it when I'm gonna film on my iPhone, just so it's more easier for you to see. I know when I was doing my research on this bag, there wasn't a lot of like photos or videos of curvier girls, like plus size girls wearing it crossbody. So I'll insert some videos of me wearing it crossbody, as you can see. So that's where it sits on me on my body frame. If you're my size, then that's where it'll hit you. But if you're smaller, it'll obviously drop lower because you're skinnier. But as for me, that's currently where it hits on me. And I'm not mad about it. It's quite cute. And on the shoulder, that's where it hits on me on the shoulder. I'm pretty happy with my purchase, and she was definitely worth the wait. And I'm so happy that I have her in my collection. And yes, so if you guys want me to do what's in my bag with it, I definitely will, but I'll also link some good ones down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little reveal of my Speedy Nano. Once again, sorry about the banging if you heard it throughout the video. Yeah, it's very, very annoying, but I really wanted to film this video because I don't have any other time to do it. And yes, so I want to thank you all for sticking by me, and I hope you guys are staying well, staying healthy. I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. I love you all so much. Mwah. Bye.